Allah Azza wa Jal has made it crystal clear that haram can never equal success, can never equal happiness. If it contradicts what Allah says, what do you do? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He says in the Quran, وَمَنْ أَعْرَضَ عَنْ ذِكْرِي, whosoever stays away from my deen and my remembrance, وَمَنْ أَعْرَض, يعني it was presented to him, the opportunity was there for you. فَإِنَّ لَهُ مَعِيشَةً ضَنْكَ, for him is a miserable, wretched life. That's the formula. And so many of us, we fall. Brother, look at this guy, man. This guy's doing haram. This guy's doing 1, 2, 3, 4. And look at his life. Now your brain's having problems because your eyes and your ears are showing you one thing, and Allah and His Prophet are telling me something else. What do you choose now? This is how, as a Muslim, don't ever allow for your faith to ever be shaken. You can come and try to convince me one thing. If Allah says the other, you go with the other, even if my eyes are showing me something else. This is Iman, and this is believing in the unseen.